AI development moves fast, but repetitive workflows still slow teams down. Meet Diffy's workflow feature, built to automate pipelines and remove friction. Set up triggers that start tasks automatically when data or models change. Chain steps visually using simple drag-and-drop templates for repeatable processes. Scale without rewriting code with parallel runs, batching, and auto-scaling. Plug in existing tools and APIs with ready connectors for smooth integration. Open the workflow editor, clean UI, live screenshots, and animated callouts. Choose a template, tweak parameters, and test with one click. Monitor runs in real time, inspect logs, and replay failed steps instantly. Security first, role permissions, audit trails, and encrypted secrets by default. Developers gain speed, reliability, and predictable scaling for production models. Start building with Dify Workflows today and accelerate your AI delivery.